Want to give your customers flexible shipping options? Today, we're walking you through the process step by step. Head to Stores, then click on Configuration. In the Sales section, find and click on Shipping Methods. Choose from multiple shipping methods. You can offer free shipping, flat rate, or even table rate. Let's start with free shipping. Simply toggle it to Yes and set the conditions, like a minimum order amount to trigger free shipping. Next, configure flat rate shipping. Set the price you want to charge for shipping. For more advanced shipping setups, use table rates. This lets you define rates based on weight, destination, or price, offering complete flexibility. Once set, customers will see these options at checkout, making it easier for them to choose the best delivery method. Need help configuring your shipping methods or optimizing your Magento 2 store? Visit us at neosalax.com or email us at sales@neosalax.com. We're here to help you grow your business.